Welcome students. Today again we will discuss some questions which is based on rationalization, or you can say the leftover questions based on rationalization also. Okay, but this type is very important type. So here are that this type which we are left under the topic rationalization. That is, if both a and b are rational numbers, okay, find the value of a in each of the following cases. The first case I have taken. See, here in a general way I have taken a and b. Okay, it can be any variable. Okay, generally I have taken a and b. It can be x, y, any variables. Okay, but you need to solve in the same manner. See, one case I have taken, that is one example I have taken, that is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 is equals to a plus b root 3. Okay, this whole expression is equal to this, and we need to find a and b, which are some numbers obviously. Okay, so here we go for the solution. See, students, first of all we will take the left hand side. Okay, left hand side we'll consider, that is root 3 minus 1 and root 3 plus 1. First of all we will try to rationalize it. Okay, rationalize a denominator so that we can get this term in its simplified form, and afterwards we can equate that thing with this thing which is already given. So for rationalizing we know that we need to multiply the denominator with its rationalizing factor. As here the denominator is root 3 plus 1, so rationalizing factor will be the conjugate of this, means root 3 minus 1. According to the mathematics rule, if we are multiplying something with the denominator, then we need to multiply the same thing with the numerator also. Okay, so first of all what we will do, multiplying numerator and denominator with rationalizing factor, that is root 3 minus 1. Okay, many students have asked me the question, ma'am, why we are multiplying numerator and denominator both with rationalizing factor? Because to make the denominator rationalize, we need to multiply this rationalizing factor to the denominator only. But according to the mathematical rule, if we are multiplying something to the denominator, then we need to multiply the same to the numerator. That's why we are doing. Clear? So here we go, or we are proceeding towards that root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. Okay, as we are multiplying root 3 minus 1 to the denominator as well as to the numerator. Okay, so I could able to get, add these to the same number, so I could able to get root 3 minus 1 whole square. Okay, now as it same as the formula, that a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so I can write a square minus b square as per the identity. Okay, so root 3 square minus 1 square. So by expanding this thing, I could able to get something by, or you can expand this by the formula, that is a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so here I could able to get root 3 whole square plus 1 square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 upon root 3 whole square is 3 and minus 1 square is minus 1. So root 3 whole square is 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. Right? I could able to get 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. Right? Now I can take the 2 common from here, from the numerator. Okay, So I left with 2 minus root 3 upon 2. Okay, so 2 will cancel out and I left with 2 minus root 3. Whose value it is? Root 3 minus 1 and root 3 plus 1. Okay, now as we know what? That root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 is equal to, as per the question, is equal to b root 3. A plus b root 3. So I can replace this thing with the value that is 2 minus root 3. I can write here 2 minus root 3 is equals to a plus b root 3. Okay, on equating I could able to get the value of a is equals to 2, right? And b root 3 is equal to the second value is equal to second, that is minus root 3, right? So here I could able to get the value of b, that is minus root 3 upon root 3 is equals to minus 1. So value of b will be minus 1. So from here I can conclude that I could able to get the value of a is equals to and b is equals to minus 1. Okay, to make you more clear, let's take another example. Okay, so here the second question I have taken of the same type. That is, again we need to solve it in the same manner. Okay, so need to find the a and b, same. Okay, first of all, what we will take the left hand side, that is 5 plus root 3 upon 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay, now we need to rationalize the denominator. For that we need to multiply numerator and denominator by the rationalizing factor, right? So multiplying numerator and denominator by rationalizing factor, that is 7 plus 4 root 3, the conjugate of this. So I could able to get 5 plus root 3 upon 7 minus 4 root 3 into 7 plus 4 root 3, 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay, need to multiply because of the same different terms. Okay, it will multiply with 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay, and here a minus b and a plus b, we know that it is a square minus b square, means 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square. Now see, on simplification, 5 will multiply first of all with the whole, and after this root 3 will multiply with the next. So here I am proceeding with this. 5 first of all multiply with 7 plus 4 root 3. Afterwards root 3 will multiply with 4 root 3. Okay, so 7 7s are 49, we know. 4 root 3 whole square. How to solve this? See, 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. 4 4s are 16, and root 3 into root 3 is 3. 16 3s are 48. So I could able to write here 48. Okay, 5 7s are 35. 5 4s are 20, and root 3 plus 7 root 3. Root 3 into 4 root 3 means root 3 into 4 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 4 left. 4 into 3 is 12. So I could able to write 12 here, and 49 minus 48 is 1. Okay, so I could able to get 35 plus 20 root 3 plus 7 root 3 plus 12. 35 plus 12, that is 47, plus 20 plus 7, 27 root 3. Okay, now as we know that 5 plus root 3 upon 7 minus 4 root 3 is equal to a plus root 3b. It is already given in the question. Now I can replace the value of this with 47 plus 27 root 3. As I wrote here, 47 plus 27 root 3 is equals to a plus root 3b. Okay, now on equating, I could able to get the value of a and b. As I am writing here, a I got 47 and this second term I equate with this, that is root 3b is equals to 27 root 3. Root 3 cancel out and I left with b is value is equals to 27. So I can write here that so value of a and b are 47 and 27. Okay, I hope you all have understood. If not, please go through the video once again.